So today, as you can see, I didn't post in a few days. I was testing out vlogging with the GoPro, but the quality just wasn't there. So I'm gonna stick with vlogging on the phone, and the daily vlogs are coming back starting today. Go for a longboard ride, but that's gonna be kind of hard without screwing up my bearings. So I'm about to head downstairs and grab some food and chill out for a while. Got cleaned up a little bit, just got changed. I'm about to get a workout in really quickly. And then I'll catch you guys after that, because I don't think it's a good idea to bring my phone with me. So I'll see you guys after the workout. Finished up my workout. I'm about to go down right now and grab some food. I have strawberry banana smoothie with milk and chia seeds and some yogurt. And over here I have 2 scrambled eggs. And yeah, that's pretty much my breakfast. This means I'm gonna have to shovel today. So that's nice. Just came back inside from shoveling. And honestly, it's snowing so hard right now that it looks like I did absolutely nothing. But I'm gonna go back out in a little while though. With a snowboard like an idiot. Someone's coming. Hi.
Didn't scare me.
About the whole street and my entire driveway over here, but it looks like I've done absolutely nothing. Crazy, like I legit can't. It's crazy right now. And there's about another 4 inches on the ground from when I last checked in with you, so I have to go out and snowplow soon. Or not snowplow, snowblow soon. Cold in here, so I just grabbed the heater from the attic. Just got all my snow gear on. I'm about to go back outside and shovel. Right now I'm just gonna edit a little bit and then figure out what to do for the rest of the night. Oh my gosh, I look like Rudolph. My nose is so red right now. It's crazy. Okay, so I just popped some mac and cheese on the stove, and I should have that within a couple minutes. But I've been sitting in my room for the last like half hour, so I don't know where everyone went. Oh, hello. How fun it was to ride this thing around the house. I haven't been on this thing since, I don't even know how long ago it was, probably summertime.